Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to upgrade a memory for this laptop, an HP Ryzen 5 so I got a memory, a DDR4 this is made by Artec, so this is the brand. So I hope it will work. It should work as its DDR4. So in this laptop here, you must know there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's 8 screws on this laptop. I'm gonna open the two here. Put them this side. Them here. Now, to remove those screws under here, you need to lift this plastic here, like this. Okay. You must keep it like this because there's a glue on it. Okay, and then as you can see here, 1, 2, 3. Remove the other one. And this one, it got two, as you can see here. I'm gonna put it this side. I don't want them to be mixed up. So now I'm gonna remove the screws here. Two screws here are black. Oh yeah, white. Okay, black, black, and white. Black here, and white in the middle. So now it's done. I'm done removing the screws. Make sure all the screws, 8 screws are removed. I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna start from here. I'm gonna start from here, this side here. You can just use your fingers. You can see it's coming out. Coming out. You can see, you can hear. Coming out. Okay. See, it's coming out. Coming out. See, slowly, do not break it. Coming out. Almost. There you go. You can see it's out. So this is the inside of the laptop. I will recommend you, before putting in the memory, to remove the battery. Okay? As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 screws here. So this is the SSD hard drive. Okay? So I'm going to remove those 4 screws. Always remove them before. I need another screwdriver. So I got another screwdriver. This side. Okay, the screws are out. I'm gonna pull the battery like this, slowly, and it's out. Now we are going to add the memory. This is the one. So this is the memory. As you can see here, is a tooth. So you're gonna put it like this, and then press it down. As you can hear it clipping. Okay, so now I should have 16 gig. I'm going to test it. I'm gonna put back the battery like this. As you can see, it's in. I'm gonna close it. I'm sure it will work. 99% sure. I'm gonna just close it like this first. Press, 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 press. As you can see, as you can hear it. Okay. Before I put the screws back, just wanna switch it on and see. Oop. Not on. Try again. Nope. Not displaying. Not good. Oh, okay. What they said here. I got an error here. The CMOS checking is invalid. The CMOS will restart by default configuration on the computer. Okay, let's see. It's starting. Okay, let's see. I just want to log in. I'm gonna check. As you can see here, now it's showing 16 gig. 16 gig. Okay, I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like it, share, and subscribe. Ciao.